Nikki Tamboli in see-through blouse and embroidered saree has fans gasping for her seductive splendor, prepared to be captivated by the alluring charm and irresistible allure of the stunning Indian actress Nikki Tamboli. Recently, this enchanting diva took the internet by storm as she graced the pages of a renowned magazine with a photoshoot that left her fans swooning over her with a combination of seductive poses and breathtaking outfits. Nikki Tamboli showcased her innate beauty and mesmerizing presence, making it an unforgettable experience for her admirers. The magazine cover shoot for this exclusive magazine cover shoot, Nikki Tamboli collaborated with the celebrated Indian fashion designer and brand Kajal Scott, bringing forth for a collection that accentuated her natural grace and elegance. Have a look. Whether she donned a Bilingi language choli or a sheer lacy Biggie Sari, Nikki Tamboli effortlessly executed a sensuality and sophistication in every frame, making it an ethereal visual treat for her followers. The creative team to bring out Nikki Tamboli's incredible style and complement her stunning looks. The shoot was orchestrated by an exceptionally talented team of professionals. The renowned stylist Victor Robertson and Sohail Mughal ensured that each ensemble perfectly captured the essence of Nikki Tamboli's beauty, while makeup artist Rishab Khanna highlighted her features, leaving her looking radiant and alluring. Jenny, the gifted hairstylist, worked her magic creating hairstyles that perfectly complemented Nikki Tamboli's overall persona. Moreover, the exquisite jewelry worn by the enchanting model was from an EH by Neha Parmar, adding an extra touch of elegance to the entire photo shoot. The entire production was masterfully coordinated by Nadia Malik, ensuring a seamless execution of this captivating project. Amir Khanna photography was responsible for capturing the ethereal moments, freezing them in time for everyone to cherish. Nikki Tamboli's seductive grace in the captivating images and video shared on her Instagram. Nikki Tamboli effortlessly captivated her with her seductive and gorgeous appearance. Her irresistible charm and grace were on full display as she showcased her impeccable fashion sense and innate ability to mesmerize with every pose. From her smoldering eyes to her radiant smile, Nikki Tamboli has the uncanny ability to hold the viewer's attention, leaving them yearning for more. Nikki Tamboli has risen to fame through her remarkable talent and stunning on-screen presence. With her charming persona and exceptional acting skills, she has garnered a massive following of dedicated fans who admire her beauty and talent. The starlet rose to prominence with her appearance in popular Indian reality shows, and her success paved the way for her entry into the world of cinema. She has starred in several noteworthy films, leaving a lasting impression on the hearts of audiences everywhere. Nikki Tamboli's recent magazine photo shoot has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on the hearts of her fans. Her bewitching beauty combined with the stunning outfits, mesmerizing poses, and the expertise of the creative team has resulted in an unforgettable visual feast. With her rising of fame and incredible talent, Nikki Tamboli continues to charm and enthrall audiences worldwide, solidifying her position as a prominent and alluring figure in the Indian entertainment industry. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.